హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు లిటిల్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. నేను మీ ఫ్రెండ్ మోక్షజ్ఞ. మ్యాథ్స్ లో మనం మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్ చేయాలన్నా, డివిజన్స్ చేయాలన్నా మనకు తప్పనిసరిగా టేబుల్స్ కావాలి. కానీ ఆ టేబుల్స్ రావాలంటే చాలా మంది కుస్తీ పడతా బట్టి పడతారు, లేదా మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ మెథడ్ నుంచి చేస్తారు. కానీ ఈ వీడియోలో నేను మీకు చెప్పే మెథడ్ ద్వారా జస్ట్ 3-4 సెకండ్స్ లో మనకి ఆన్సర్ చాలా ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. మనకి 1 టేబుల్ టు 10 టేబుల్ వర్క్ కానీ 11 టేబుల్ వర్క్ కానీ చాలా సులభంగా చెప్పగలం. కానీ 12 టేబుల్ నుంచి 19 టేబుల్ వరకు చాలా కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ టేబుల్స్ కూడా చాలా ఈజీగా ఎలా చెప్పాలో ఈ మెథడ్ ద్వారా నేను చెప్పబోతున్నాను. వీడియోకి వెళ్లే ముందు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే మీరు లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. సో లెట్స్ బిగిన్.
I took 13 table as example. In by heart method, 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, and 13 fives are 65, and so on. The second method, in multiply method, 13 into 1 is 13. 13 into 2. We should multiply 2 with 3. 2 into 3 is 6, and 2 into 1 is 2. 26. 13 twos are 26. We should multiply 3 with 3. 3 threes are 9, and 3 ones are 3. 39. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are. We should multiply 4 with 3. 4 threes are 12. 1 goes upon the 1, and 2 remains in the answer. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 52. 13 fives are. We should multiply 5 with 3. 5 threes are 15. 1 goes upon 1 and 5 remains in the answer. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1 6, and so on. Now friends, I am going to tell you about the new method I was talking about earlier. First one, 13 into 1. The 1 is in tens place and the 3 is in ones place. So we have to write 1 as 10. So 10 into 1 plus 3 into 1. That gives 10 into 1 is 10 plus 3 into 1 is 3. So we get 13. The answer we obtained is 13. 13 ones are 13. 13 into 2. The 1 is in tens place and the 3 is in ones place. So we have to write 1 as 10 into 2 plus 3 into 2. So we get 10 into 2 is 20 plus 3 into 2 is 6. So the answer we obtained is 26. 13 twos are 26. The next one is 13 into 3. We have to write 1 as 10 into 3 plus 3 into 3. So we get 10 into 3 is 30 plus 3 into 3 is 9. We get 39. 13 threes are 39. 13 into 4. Now 10 into 4 plus 3 into 4. So we get 40 plus 12 is equal to 52. So the answer we obtained is 52. 13 fours are 52. 13 into 5. So we have to write 10 into 5 plus 3 into 5. So 50 plus 3 fives are 15 is equal to 65. So the answer we obtained is 65. Now friends, we have some more examples. First one, 17 into 3. The 1 is in 10's place and the 7 is in 1's place. So we have to write 1 as 10. 10 into 3 plus 7 into 3. So we have 30 plus 21. The answer we obtained is 51. Next one, 18 into 6. 1 as 10. 10 into 6 plus 8 into 6. So we have 60 plus 48. The answer we obtained is 108. Next one, 16 into 9. 1 as 10 into 9 plus 6 into 9. We get 90 plus 54. The answer we obtained is 144. Next one, 19 into 7 is equal to 10 into 7, 70 plus 9 into 7, 63. The answer we obtained is 133. Friends, will you try this? First one, 16 into 8. Second one, 12 into 8. Third one, 18 into 6. Fourth one, 19 into 9. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, friends. See you again in next video. Bye.